What is up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the top 5 side hustles that you can still do while working a 9-to-5 job. If you're new to the channel, I'm Tyler Wise, and I like to show people how to make money online. See, I was once stuck in that 9-to-5 rat race, even that mentality that I would never amount to anything unless I just got a raise at my job. And, you know, now since I've been doing this for 2 years, I can tell you firmly that there are so many ways to make money online that you don't have to be stuck in a 9-to-5 job if you don't want to be. I feel like a lot of people realize that over COVID, and honestly, I'm so happy because you don't have to be micromanaged and stuck in a job that you hate. You can make money online. I'm going to be discussing a lot of ways for you to be able to do that in today's video. But also, you can also just stay at your 9-to-5 job if you like it, while also running these side hustles simultaneously. So, plenty of options here. But without any further ado, let's jump right into this video and get started. So the first side hustle I want to discuss today is Amazon FBA. FBA just means fulfillment by Amazon. So let's say you buy a bunch of products from overseas in bulk, and you're like, well, I want to make a bunch of money off of this. So you apply for the Amazon FBA program. What that means is that once you ship them to your house, all the bulk supplies, you will just have Amazon come by, and once someone buys that product on Amazon, they will do all the fulfillment for you. So they will deliver it to the customer for you. The only issue here, and the reason I really don't, suggest this one for a lot of beginners, is that you will have to have a place to have the inventory. And so people, a lot of people who get into Amazon FBA, they will just have boxes and boxes and boxes of inventory inside their home. And honestly, I mean, if you have the space for it, heck yeah, do it. So many people out there have had success with Amazon FBA. And actually a lot of people, influencers, YouTubers, TikTokers, have started their success on the internet with Amazon FBA money. So if you're looking for a gateway side hustle to get into entrepreneurship, this is the one, okay? I would also recommend drop shipping too, but I'm gonna discuss that one later on. So stay tuned for that one. But yeah, without a doubt, Amazon FBA is a great way to get into entrepreneurship, and you can make a lot of money. Plus, once you have everything set up, it can be passive. Not entirely though, but mostly passive. Alright, the second side hustle I want to discuss today is freelancing. So freelancing basically is just when you are selling skills that you already know. So honestly, one of the most well-known and most profitable freelance skills is graphic design. People will go on to Fiverr and Upwork. I'm not sure if you guys have heard of those, but basically they're freelancing marketplaces. You can go on there and you can hire Joe Schmo to design a logo for you, and he'll get to keep a profit, and then you'll get your high quality design just shipped to you right over the internet. It's crazy. I use Fiverr all the time. In fact, I'm using Fiverr to have this video edited. So, because it's like I could, just edit the video myself, but I have that convenience. And plus my editor does a really good job, and I know you're watching that right now, so. Yeah, it's a great way to make money though. I mean, you can go onto Fiverr or Upwork and you'll see people making hundreds or millions of dollars per year to just do freelancing. In fact, there was a guy that was a voice actor that became a meme a couple years ago, and yeah, his career just skyrocketed because he was doing freelancing on the internet. So it's crazy. The internet is crazy. You can make so much money online if you know where to go. So hopefully by the end of this video, you're like, okay, well now I know where to go. So the next side hustle I want to discuss today is affiliate marketing / blogging. So if you've ever gone onto a blog, you may notice that the author is always discussing different links or different products. Go click on this link down here and you'll get 30% off. Well, that's affiliate marketing. So basically what affiliate marketing is essentially you're gonna earn a commission for sending somebody to a link or a different product. If they buy that product, you earn a kickback. That's affiliate marketing. In fact, if you go to the link in my description or my blog, you'll see plenty of affiliate links on my pages. In fact, affiliate marketing is how I primarily make all of my income on the internet. The best part about affiliate marketing is it only requires maybe 1 to 3 hours per day. And honestly, I only work maybe 3 days a week. So I have a lot of free time. So honestly, when I was working in my 9-to-5 job, I would come home after I would do my hard day's work of being a banker, and basically I would just focus on creating content and creating my affiliate marketing business. And with enough time and enough, consistency, I now average $20,000 to $30,000 a month with just one program that I'm promoting. Isn't that crazy? So honestly, affiliate marketing is an excellent way to get into entrepreneurship. I would either get into Amazon FBA or affiliate marketing, but yeah, I'm a little biased. The fourth side hustle I want to discuss today is retail arbitrage. Retail arbitrage is when you just find a product for cheap and then you resell it for a higher price. Unfortunately, this gets a bad name because what happens is typically people buy, for instance, Xboxes, like the new Xbox or the new PlayStation 5, and then they'll resell it for a higher price on the internet. I don't recommend doing that. Honestly, that's like the worst kind of people to do this. And I'm sorry if you do this, but it's just wrong to do that. What I recommend is just maybe going to like a thrift store, or go to a Marshall's, or go to, a secondhand store like that. Try to find the product for very cheap there, and then just resell it online on the internet. You can sell it on eBay. You can even sell it on Etsy if you wanted to. That's the best way that I recommend doing it. You can even do it on Walmart too. In fact, in one of my videos prior to this, I was discussing how you can buy a bunk bed and resell it on eBay for like $100 to $200 difference. And people are using the exact same images as they are on Walmart. I don't know, it doesn't get easier than that. So people, there's so many ways to make money online. So you just gotta be creative sometimes, I suppose. And last but not least, number 5 is teaching/coaching. So what I recommend is you can always start your own course if you know, a lot of, information. Like maybe the best workouts, or maybe a great diet to go on to for, I don't know, to have the best healthy body or to lose weight, for example. And then you could always do personal one-on-one coaching. And, people think coaching means, oh, good job, Timmy, with that football throw. No, coaching can be just you're giving advice to somebody on what they should do with their life. And you can make a lot of money with this. You could easily make more than a full-time job at being a banker. And trust me, I was a banker, so I know. So honestly, yeah, coaching/creating a course, those are always going to be extremely profitable ways to make income. Plus, if you create a course, you can always make it passive. You can always just put their course on Udemy, or you can just create your own brand new course if you wanted to and have affiliates for it, and then they can promote it, and then you can make a lot of money without having any marketing or advertising. And I plan on doing that one day, but we're just not quite there yet. But guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got some, little pieces of information that can help you. In the description, I will have some links that can help you get started. Jungle Scout is a great app to use to get started with like Amazon FBA with product research. And in fact, with Amazon FBA, you're going to primarily focus on good product research to make a profit. You just need to find a good product, and then honestly, it doesn't get easier than that. But I'm also gonna have the course that I took to learn affiliate marketing. So if you want to take that, it's gonna be in the description. TylerZwise.com will take you directly to the link. But guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate all of you guys. Can't believe we're already at 7,000 subscribers. Honestly, I never thought I'd get to this point, if I'm gonna be honest with you. So I'm grateful, Make sure to follow me on Instagram. I have a lot more followers on there if that matters to you. And I hope you guys all have a great day, night, whenever you watch this, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.